Thanks to Keith at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our Sensen shocks and struts. We always recommend you go to a professional for this type of repair, however this one was fairly simple with the right tools. Today we are replacing a set of rear struts on a 2000 Volkswagen Jetta. This set will also fit the 1999 to 2005 Jetta, the 2007 to 2009 Jetta City, the 1999 to 2006 Golf, the 2007 to 2009 Golf City, the 1998 to 2010 Beetle, and the 2006 GTI. We recommend using Sensen brand when replacing your worn-out shocks and struts. Sensen comes with a limited lifetime warranty. They are benchmark tested against industry leaders for quality and designed to meet and exceed original equipment specifications. Sensen has been manufacturing shocks and struts since 1985. Their shocks and struts use Japanese NOK seals for superior leak resistance and come with a premium powder-coated finish to provide a long-lasting corrosion and rust protection. The Sensen brand is where quality meets affordability. Some of the tools needed for this installation include a 16mm socket and wrench, a 17mm socket, and you will also need a hammer or a mallet.
Holding you up. We're using a 16mm socket to remove the top of the shocks on the rear. What size is this one? It's only a 16 too. Let's see if we can get a hold of it. Out of 16 too? How about that? Oh, I got it. There's a nut. Yeah, there's a nut. I'll give it a shot. Take them off, 17mm put them back. Pull back in line up there. Push it right back in. tight. Use your 16mm again to tighten the bottom. Nut and bolt. And that's all there is to it. In good shape. Thank you, Jay. Thank you. And again, we use our 17mm to tighten it up.
This concludes our rear strut installation on a 2000 Volkswagen Jetta. Be sure to watch for our front complete strut assembly installation video for this vehicle. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for their professional installation.